गाइज मैं ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम में स्क्रॉल कर रहा था, फिर ऐसा कुछ एक प्रॉब्लम दिखा फ्री वाईफाई का। तो वहाँ पे वाईफाई का पासवर्ड के बदले एक इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए दिया था। तो ये बहुत ही फेमस इंटीग्रेशन है, तो हम लोग आज इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे। देखो, ये दिखने में जितना भयंकर लग रहा है, बेसिकली बहुत इजी है, क्लास 12 लेवल की इंटीग्रेशन है। तो हम लोग इसको फटाफट से इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। तो पहले बात, इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, -2 ये प्लस है तो इसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं। लेट्स डिवाइड इट इनटू 2 पार्ट्स। ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड द सेकंड पार्ट what you will get, -2 to +2 half 4 minus x square dx. Now you notice one thing, this x cube, what kind of function it is? It is an odd function, right? Cos x by 2, cos is an even function, and this √4 minus x square, what kind of function it is? Even function. Odd into even is odd, odd into again even, that makes the whole integrand to be odd. Now if you integrate an odd function in this interval -2 to +2, you get a big 0. So the first term is 0. Now what about the second term? If you look at this can be solved in several ways. You can take x is equals to 2 sin theta. In that way also you can solve it, but I will prefer to solve it by some graphical method. You can see from this 4 minus x square, if I let's say take it as y is equals to √4 minus x square. Take square on both sides. Y square becomes 4 minus x square, and that makes x square plus y square is equals to 4. So it is basically an equation of the circle. Look, this is the original equation given to you. Don't think that x square plus y square is equals to 4. From this we can get two values of y, plus minus √4 minus x square. But originally it is only giving you plus. So if you look at this circle, x square plus y square is equals to 4. It is a circle centered at the origin 0 0 and with radius 2 1 2. So you can draw the circle like this, but as it is plus √4 minus x square, so this will be the upper side, semi half circle. So this is -2, so this is +2. Now this is the area. You know, integration is nothing but area under the curve. That means √4 minus x square dx, if you integrate over -2 to +2, you will get this much of area. And you know what is the area? Area of a full circle is pi r square. R is equals to 2 here. So pi r square, this is a full circle. Now here it is given half circle, right? So divided by 2, and this extra 2, extra half was there. So it becomes pi r square by pi 4 pi by 4, so means pi. And you see in the question, the Wi-Fi password is the first 10 digit of the answer. So if you see what are the first 10 digit of the first 10 digit of the pi, you can just get it from anywhere. Once you know the answer is pi, you can just do the first 10 digit. The value of pi is 3.14159264. देखो कितना हो गया, 2 4 6 8 10, मतलब without this decimal point, these 10 numbers are the passwords. So I think you have easily understood it. If you have any question, query, you can ask, you can let me know in the comment section. And this was a very pretty simple question and interesting question, and it's a pretty popular question also. So now you understood how we can solve this problem. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.